Well, today we're just working on the cabinet. We went up to Lowe's and they cut up some boards for us. You just bring in your own boards or buy one there and they'll cut it up. So we got the microwave down here. We got our laptop and Starlink up here. You can see mouse and stuff, other things right there, you know. Just we need to add on another board or two here for the power station. We're just listening to some Jimi Hendrix, confirming some rumors. But there you have it. This is the cheap do-it-yourself cabinet for $10 for the board. $15 altogether. Oh, what's that? Gotta go.